I stepped outside and looked around. I never dreamed it was so wide, or even half as high. The time had come. Papa, can you hear me? To try my wings. Papa, are you near me? And even though it seemed at any moment I could fall, I felt the most. Papa, can you see me? Amazing things. Can you understand me? The things you can't imagine if you've never known at all. Though it's safer to stay on the ground, sometimes where days and nights, where the sweetest of pleasures are found. No matter where I go, there'll be memories until I get my sleep. I'm alone, sorry, more to question yet more to believe. Oh, tell me, where is the someone who will turn to love me and want to share my ever sweet imagined possibility? The more I live, the more I learn. The more I realize. The less I know. Each step I take, Papa, I've a voice now. Each page I turn, Papa, I've a choice now. Each mile I travel only means the more I have to go. What's wrong with wanting more? If you can fly, then soar. With all there is, why settle for